Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Edge Analytics. Everyone on YouTube is talking about NVIDIA and Tesla, but smart investors know that the real money is made where the crowd is not. Today, we are covering 3 stocks and 1 mega IPO that are trending right now in April 2026, but almost no one on YouTube is talking about them. One of these stocks jumped 76% in a single day, and one upcoming IPO could become the second largest IPO in history. If you invest in US stocks, or if you just want to stay ahead of the trends, stay with me until the end. Let's get into it. Our first stock is MaxLinear, ticker symbol MXL. On April 23, 2026, this stock shocked the entire market by jumping 76% in a single trading day. So why did this happen? MaxLinear makes high-speed connectivity chips, the kind used inside AI data centers, 5G networks, and fiber optic systems. Their first quarter, 2026 earnings changed everything. Revenue grew 43% year over year, reaching $137.2 million. Hyperscale AI giants like Google and Amazon placed massive new orders for their chips. The company raised its full-year revenue target from $125 million to $160 million. The CEO confirmed production ramp-ups in late 2026, with even faster growth expected in 2027. And here is what makes this really exciting. They have 2 new products that could be game changers. The Keystone optical transceiver makes AI servers dramatically faster. The Annapurna signal retimer maximizes data center speed and efficiency. The numbers tell the full story. 52-week low, $9.07. Current price, approximately $34 to $35. That is a 285% return in just 1 year. Analyst price target, $60. The hardware that makes AI servers faster, and AI demand is only going up. If you do not want to miss this trend, put MXL on your watch list today. Our second stock is a brand new listing, the Elmet Group, ticker symbol ELMT. This stock just listed on the NASDAQ on April 23, 2026, literally 2 days ago. That is why almost no one on YouTube has covered it yet, and that is your advantage. So what does this company do? Elmet Group makes precision-engineered components, parts so specialized that normal factories cannot produce them, and these parts go into aerospace, defense, medical, and semiconductors. Aerospace? NASA rockets. Defense? US military weapons systems. Medical? Hospital equipment. Semiconductors? Chip manufacturing facilities. Here's the most important detail. Elmet is the only US-owned company producing tungsten and molybdenum products at scale. These are critical materials the US military and NASA depend on. And since China also controls these materials, the US government is actively pushing to build domestic supply chains. Elmet is that solution. Their customers include NASA, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, and Los Alamos National Laboratory. NASA uses their parts in the Artemis moon mission. Now the fundamentals. 2025 revenue, $201.6 million. That is 5.9% growth. Defense backlog grew 76%, meaning more orders are already locked in for the future. They raised $120 million from the IPO. Stock performance so far. IPO price, $14. First day high, $22.25. That is a 59% move on day 1. Current price, around $17 to $18. When a company uses IPO proceeds to become debt-free, it signals strong fundamentals. ELMT is new. There is almost no content on it. Yet. And that is exactly where early opportunity lives. Our third hidden gem is Equipment Share, ticker symbol EQPT. This company is becoming the new king of construction technology. Let me explain it simply. Imagine a contractor needs a crane worth $500,000. Buying it outright is not practical. So what do? They rent it. Through the Equipment Share app, think of it as Uber, but for construction equipment. But it is not just rental. They have a proprietary technology platform called T3 that does 4 things. First, it tracks every piece of equipment in real time. Second, it sends maintenance alerts before problems happen. Third, it provides data analytics to improve productivity. And fourth, it manages everything digitally from one dashboard. The numbers are impressive. Annual revenue, $4.36 billion. Operating in 45 states. 373 locations, with plans to expand to 700 in the next 5 years. 7,768 employees. IPO in January 2026. Raised $747 million. What are analysts saying? Goldman Sachs price target, $51. Melius research target, $55. Average analyst target, $39.75. That means an 86% upside from current levels. U.S. infrastructure spending is growing, and Equipment Share is the company digitizing an industry that has been stuck in the past. Their earnings are projected to grow 70% per year. And Goldman Sachs has a buy rating. This is a name worth knowing. And now, a bonus update you do not want to miss. Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI and ChatGPT's biggest rival, is expected to go public by the end of 2026. This is not just another tech IPO. This could be the second largest IPO in history. Here are the facts. Anthropic's annualized revenue has reached $30 billion, surpassing OpenAI's $25 billion. 8 out of 10 Fortune 10 companies are already Anthropic clients. Enterprise AI market share, 32%, ahead of OpenAI's 25%. Claude Code, their AI programming tool, holds 54% market share, ahead of GitHub Copilot and Cursor. Expected IPO valuation, $380 billion. Expected fundraising target, over $60 billion. This is one of the most searched topics in AI right now. The moment a ticker is announced, StockEdge Analytics will be your first source for the update, so make sure you are subscribed. So those were the stocks flying under the radar right now. MXL, the AI chip company that jumped 76% in one day. ELMT, the brand new IPO and the U.S. defense sector's hidden gem. EQPT, construction tech with 86% upside potential. And the Anthropic IPO, possibly the biggest public offering of 2026. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this Hidden Gems series, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which stock you want us to do a full fundamental analysis on next. See you in the next video. Take care.